Afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb year 2011 government pass question number 36, and the question says the principle of federal character was adopted in order to promote equitable allocation of of equitable allocation of dash. The principle of federal character was adopted in order to promote equitable allocation of dash. A. Opportunities between male and females. B. Revenue between groups in the country. C. Positions and appointment among various regions. D. Appointment between the north and southern. The essence of federal character is e- is equitable is equitable distribution, that is equal sharing. That is what it implies. So for this, option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.